Good morning, everybody. I just thought I'd give you another tour and an update of what our yard looks like from this point. The last one I did, we did not have the concrete, and we do now. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a brief overlook at some of the things we've done. Keep in mind, some of the things are still out, and what I mean by that are some of our tools and things like that. So, all right. So you walk out into my patio, and on this side we put a rug and we put some workout equipment that Johnny and I can just grab if we don't make it to the gym. And yeah, and then he has his what is that thing called? I can't think of the name. What is it? Water pressure thing. Pressure washer. There you go. Pressure washer. So anyways, and then we have those out because we are going to be having a party this weekend. I did buy some panels to cover the garbage cans, and unfortunately it's cheapy. I got them at Home Depot. I didn't like them. I'm returning them. So those will be set out there out the gate or on the other side of the house for the party. So I moved this over here, and I love this over here. This is gonna go by the gate, but I got some mint here, and then I got some vine, and then on the bottom we keep all our tanning, sunblock, all that, so anybody who comes over can use it. We have some geraniums over here. I have a beautiful hibiscus that my son gave me for Mother's Day. And then I put a little fairy garden thing on the bottom. This is all my Temu fairy garden stuff and Dollar Tree. So I have that there. I brought this in because the hibiscus was getting a little too warm. I had it over there. So I'm going to take you all the way around. So here we have some tools that I got to put away. And here I put this fairy garden over here, and it plugs in right there very easily because we have a little water feature right there. So then we have our karaoke's out here because we like to listen to music. We got a little sitting area, so when you come out here we have a little sitting area with the rug, and I gotta figure this out because that is staining the concrete from when I water the fairy garden. So yeah, we have some pots down there to put. Got our shoes for outside underneath because we have a little shelf there, and I bought this little tray thing to keep the goggles and stuff in there for the kids. They like to leave them everywhere, but now they have a place to put them. So yeah, I got that little pillow. This says come sit on my porch, and then I have a bunch of little signs that I'm going to put over here on this wall. So then you come around here, and I have petunias, some vincas over there. No petunias, all petunias. And at night it lights up really pretty. I'll put a video of what it looks like. So this is our fountain, turns on. And again, with all the lights, everything looks really pretty. All our petunias and vincas, everything looking really luscious. Love it. Those were only 2 little plants when we first got them, you guys. And look at those, they're thriving in there. And then we have this little sitting area. And then over here, I have a vine that was there before that's growing. Not quite sure what kind of vine it is, but it's beautiful when it's, let's see. There you go. When it's, blooming, it's just very evasive, so it goes on the house, and I don't want it on the house, so we got to trim it down. And then the kids just throw some of their stuff back here. I have my water exercise equipment back here. And these are 2 little floaties that I got from, these are for adults only, but I got these from Costco. 2 of them. And then here is coreosis. So this one looks like it's thriving out here. It has some beautiful orange flowers. When we come back here, we have a beautiful sitting area. I do have paint, and I want to repaint these, but I just don't have time to do it before we have a party. We're having a graduation party here. And I have lights up here. This is my favorite thing. It says, "That's what I do. I garden, I drink, and I know things." So, then I got these, and I got these two loungers at an estate sale for $20, both of them, 2 for $20, so they were $10 each. Then I went and I bought the cushions for it, the pillows, and the little rug, and the dogs love the rug. That's Lucy. So, and then there is some flowers. Looks like they're thriving. And Johnny's going to build a wall, and hopefully with a wooden thing on the top of that. He keeps all his chemicals and all that stuff for the pool in there. But he's going to build a wall right here, so that's a project. Then the last video, you guys, I showed, and this was not concrete, and it is now. So I have my beautiful back garden area. These are beautiful flowers, vine, and they're thriving in here. And then I got that ball. I got that beautiful angel statue from my comadre, which is she baptized my oldest daughter. We've been friends since 6 years old. Yeah, so a long time. I got lights in here. I have this beautiful thing, and I got to refill that because that's my little hummingbird feeder. Beautiful hummingbird feeder. I love it. And then I got this beautiful fairy little thing, and it lights up at night, and I'll put a picture of that. But got that from my other daughter for Mother's Day. And look at this. Oh, this thing is just beautiful. Here's some flowers. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So this thing's thriving right here. It's really, really thriving. And then this one here, they're daisies, and I don't know, I'm trying to save them. We'll see. They were in another pot, and it was just too hot for them. I don't know. We'll see what happens. These are canna lilies, and they're gorgeous yellow. I want to get some gorgeous purple. These are some gardenias. We have vincas in there, all lit up too. And then I have that outside. Namaste outside. This is beautiful. And then this is a jasmine, and I can't wait. I'm gonna put something so it will crawl up there, but it's supposed to be really fragrant. So we'll see. But yeah, so that's that. And then Johnny got this beautiful little lantern thing, and I got these things got that butterfly. But yeah, it's gorgeous. We put the bird bath over here. And then we've been trying to heat up the pool. The pool's about 81, 82 degrees maybe. It's a little too cold. Might put it on before the party. See if we can heat it up to about 85. That'll be a little more comfortable. And then these bricks are some pavers. We're not quite sure what we're gonna do with them. And then, and if you guys notice, look see, this is the concrete. Remember the other one that went around. So right here where the table is where gazebo is going to be. Now that's going to have to wait until we refurbish our budget. But we did get this table. We have an umbrella, and then the nice rug. It looks beautiful. And fire grill, or barbecue grill. Then we put this little, it's indoor outdoor grass, but the dogs use it, and that's fine with them. They're really never out here. Unless we're out here, they're not out here. And so we put that there. But yeah, so they use that, and they go over there too. They'll go over there. They're little. They're all little dogs, but they're mostly inside. And then Johnny left this area, and he's gonna put gravel so that when we mop the house, things like that, we have a place to rinse. And there is the gate to go out. Now, eventually, what we'd like to do is build a wall that goes all the way out to the edge of the house, like that. So we have an area. I want to put a kitchen garden back there, put my garbage out there, maybe have a little storage room to hide some of our tools. Right now we have to put them in the garage, but yeah, so if you could see it. So yeah, so all this would be like an area so that we can store stuff, and the wall would go, you know, all right here. We just built this wall up. And then that window right there is my kitchen. So I want a kitchen little garden right there, so I can see like herbs and stuff like that. But yeah, and then have a door right there where we can put the garbages out over there. This way, when you come in here, all this crap won't be here, or junk, sorry. So there is the update on the yard so far. Again, we're going to put a gazebo. That'll probably be the end of this year or the end of the summer. But that's what it looks like, you guys. And we love it. It's so nice and inviting. And the only thing, like, we want to put a chimenea, I think they're called, but like a real round one where we can put, you know, we can have the kids do s'mores or whatever at night. That would be something I would want to get in the near future. But at night, you guys, it's lit up. We have lights all up there, all the lights around. It's gorgeous. So there is an update on the yard. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour, and I will be talking to you really soon. I'm gonna get back into crafting here really soon, you guys. It's just been crazy. We got my son had a surgery. My granddaughter is graduating. My daughter lives here. The one who's graduating does live here. So yeah, so a lot of things going on. But anyways, I will do a video. I do have a video, like an update, and then a little collective haul for you guys real soon. Talk to you guys soon. I will see you. Bye for now.